Hi, in this session we are going to learn how to uninstall Primavera from our system and how to reinstall it. For uninstalling any application from Windows, we need to open Control Panel. So let's search for Control Panel. Yeah, this one. Click and open this. Okay, so this is our control panel. Now the Windows I am using here is Windows 11. Okay, now depending on your Windows version, this view will be different. Maybe in future versions of Windows, this control panel view or the system for uninstalling a program from Windows may change. Now if you want to know how to uninstall a program from your Windows version, you can just Google it, how to uninstall program from Windows this version. Type your version and search it. You will get lots of entries. Presently, up to Windows 11, all the released Windows versions have same uninstallation procedure. You need to go to control panel, and from there you need to open programs. There you can uninstall any software which is installed in Windows. Okay, now let's uninstall Primavera. For that you can enter from this category view, or you can select any of these options like small icon. It will expand the options. Here this programs and features, this is what we need, so click that. So these are the softwares installed in our Windows. Now here Primavera P6 Professional, this is the software we need to uninstall. We can see another Primavera P6 here. This is the version which I already have. Okay, and this is the latest one. You can check the version here. See this one 21.12 and this one 20.12. So let's uninstall Primavera. For that, select, you can either select it and click uninstall or simply double click. So let's double click it. Click yes. Yeah, are you sure you want to uninstall? Yes. So the process started. The operation you requested has been completed successfully. So Primavera 21 version is uninstalled successfully. Click OK. See, Primavera is gone from that list. Now we only have one Primavera, which is the 20.12 version, the early one. Now there is another thing. In the previous session, I told you Primavera has two parts, front end and the back end. Front end is the software which we are using, the one which we uninstall now. There is a back end part, database. While uninstalling Primavera, only front end will uninstall from our system. The database part will remain here. We need to delete database separately. For that, we need to go to the location where database is installed. In our previous video, while installing Primavera, the location shown is documents. So let's go to documents. Now see here, this is the database. We need to delete this. So right click and delete it. Okay, it's gone. Now we uninstalled Primavera from our system and also deleted the database. How to reinstall Primavera? As I said in the previous session, we need to download Primavera from eDelivery Oracle site, then install it. Now let's install Primavera. The downloaded file we already have. So let's go to download folder. This is our previous downloaded file. So let's open it. Open. This is the setup file. Double click it. Okay, now here let's select advanced and untick this one. Now click OK. From here let's remove the visualizer and the P6 standalone database. We don't need that. We only need the P6 Professional and .NET Framework. Then next, install. Here click yes. All these steps I already explained in detail in our previous session. That's why I'm not explaining all this now. So run database. Okay, here select this, then add new, next, enter password, admin, then click next and take this sample and save. Here see, the location of the database is in document. So while we uninstall this, we need to go to this location and delete this database for completely removing Primavera from our system. Okay, now this saves successfully. Okay, so we installed Primavera here. Let's see P6. See, 21 version is installed. This is how we uninstall and reinstall Primavera in Windows. Now, why do we want to know how to uninstall and reinstall Primavera? That I explained in our next session. Okay, now see you in next session.